Welcome to today's video, where we'll take a closer look at some of the most talked about and controversial court cases in recent history. From Hollywood scandals to corporate fraud and landmark moments in justice, these trials not only gripped audiences worldwide, but also left a lasting impact on society. Join us as we explore the courtroom dramas that made headlines and shaped the way we see the world today. Number 1. Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard, 2022. The defamation trial. In what became one of the most sensational celebrity court cases of modern times, Johnny Depp sued his ex-wife, Amber Heard, for $50 million, claiming that her 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post falsely painted him as an abuser. Heard countersued for $100 million, alleging Depp's legal team defamed her in return. The trial, held in Virginia, gave the public an unfiltered view of their turbulent relationship. Dramatic courtroom moments included Heard's statement, "I didn't punch you, I was hitting you," which was played in an audio recording, and Depp's now iconic line, "Yes, I have a lot of text messages I'm ashamed of." With millions tuning in daily, the trial also highlighted issues of toxic relationships and media sensationalism. Depp ultimately won $10 million in damages, while Heard received $2 million in her countersuit. Number 2. O.J. Simpson murder trial, 1995. The trial of the century. This trial captivated the nation, blending celebrity, race, and a brutal double murder into a spectacle unlike any before it. O.J. Simpson, a Hall of Fame football player and actor, was charged with the murders of his ex-wife, Nicole Brown Simpson, and her friend Ron Goldman. The trial lasted over 8 months and included unforgettable moments like Simpson's infamous glove fitting, where defense attorney Johnny Cochran declared, "If it doesn't fit, you must acquit." Despite overwhelming forensic evidence, Simpson was found not guilty, a verdict that polarized the country. Many still debate his innocence, and the trial left a lasting impact on media coverage of the legal system. Number 3. Britney Spears conservatorship case, 2021. Free Britney movement. After years of silence, pop superstar Britney Spears broke down in a Los Angeles courtroom, revealing the shocking conditions of the conservatorship that had controlled her life since 2008. "I just want my life back," she told the judge in a heartfelt plea, detailing how she was forced to work, denied the ability to have more children, and even prohibited from making basic decisions about her own body. The Free Britney movement, driven by loyal fans who suspected something was wrong, became a global phenomenon. By late 2021, the court ruled to end the conservatorship, marking a victory for Britney and a turning point in public discussions about mental health, personal freedom, and the abuse of conservatorship laws. Number 4. Casey Anthony trial, 2011. The Tot Mom case. Dubbed the Tot Mom case by the media, the trial of Casey Anthony for the alleged murder of her 2-year-old daughter, Kaylee, gripped the nation with its chilling details and bizarre twists. Prosecutors alleged that Casey used chloroform and duct tape to kill Kaylee, then partied and lied to police in the weeks following her daughter's disappearance. "Where is Kaylee?" became the haunting question of the trial. The defense argued that Kaylee accidentally drowned and that Casey's father helped cover it up. Despite public outrage, the jury acquitted Casey of murder, convicting her only on charges of lying to authorities. The case remains one of the most controversial criminal trials in U.S. history. Number 5. Anna Sorokin trial, 2019. The fake heiress scandal. Anna Sorokin, known to New York's elite as Anna Delvey, convinced some of the city's most powerful people that she was a wealthy German heiress while conning them out of hundreds of thousands of dollars. During her trial, prosecutors painted her as a cold and calculating fraudster, while Anna famously quipped, "The thing is, I'm not sorry," to a reporter. Her elaborate ruse, which included luxury stays at 5-star hotels, fake bank documents, and promises of a private club funded by her non-existent fortune, fascinated the public. Sorokin was found guilty of grand larceny and sentenced to prison, but her story lived on, inspiring Netflix's hit series Inventing Anna. Today, Anna Delvey remains a symbol of ambition, deception, and the allure of high society. Number 6. Elizabeth Holmes trial, 2021 to 2022. Theranos fraud case. Elizabeth Holmes, once hailed as the next Steve Jobs, faced the harsh reality of justice after her multi-billion-dollar biotech startup, Theranos was exposed as a massive fraud. Promising revolutionary blood testing technology that required only a single drop of blood, Holmes attracted high-profile investors and reached a valuation of $9 billion. In court, prosecutors revealed how the technology never worked as promised. During the trial, Holmes defended herself, claiming, "I never meant to deceive anyone." However, evidence showed deliberate manipulation of test results and misleading partnerships. The case ended with Holmes being found guilty of 4 counts of fraud, a dramatic fall from grace that highlighted Silicon Valley's darker side of ambition and deception. Number 7. Alex Murdaugh Trial, 2023, Southern Scandal and Family Tragedy. The Alex Murdaugh trial exposed a chilling Southern Gothic tale of power, corruption, and murder. A prominent South Carolina lawyer, Murdaugh was accused of killing his wife Maggie and son Paul in a twisted attempt to divert attention from his financial crimes. The trial featured shocking testimony, including Murdaugh's tearful admission on the stand, "I lied to everyone who trusted me." The prosecution painted him as a manipulative figure who orchestrated the murders to cover up his years of embezzlement and drug addiction. Ultimately, the jury found Murdaugh guilty, bringing a tragic saga of betrayal and loss to a dramatic close while captivating audiences across the nation. Number 8. Harvey Weinstein Trial, 2020. The Me Too movement's tipping point. The Harvey Weinstein trial was a landmark moment in the fight against sexual abuse and harassment, fueling the global Me Too movement. Weinstein, once a powerful Hollywood producer, was accused by dozens of women of using his position to sexually assault and harass them. In court, one victim described him as a predator who used his power to prey on the vulnerable. His defense argued that the relationships were consensual, but the prosecution painted a harrowing picture of manipulation and coercion. Weinstein was convicted on 2 charges of rape and sexual assault, sentenced to 23 years in prison, and became the poster child for holding the powerful accountable for their actions. Number 9. Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell Case, 2023, Doomsday Mom Murder Trial. The trial of Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell, often dubbed the Doomsday Mom case, revolved around chilling religious extremism and the deaths of Vallow's 2 children, Tylee Ryan and J.J. Vallow. The couple believed in apocalyptic prophecies and labeled the children as dark spirits. One witness testified, "They thought they were doing God's work." The gruesome discovery of the children's remains on Daybell's property shocked the nation. Lori was convicted of murder, and the case became a disturbing example of how fanaticism can lead to devastating consequences. The trial also raised broader questions about mental health and the exploitation of religious beliefs. Number 10. The Trial of Derek Chauvin, 2021, Justice for George Floyd. The trial of Derek Chauvin was a pivotal moment in the fight for racial justice. Chauvin, a former Minneapolis police officer, was charged with the murder of George Floyd, whose death was captured on video and sparked worldwide protests. The haunting footage showed Chauvin kneeling on Floyd's neck for over 9 minutes, with Floyd's final words, "I can't breathe," becoming a rallying cry for justice. Witnesses and medical experts testified that Chauvin's actions directly caused Floyd's death. The jury found Chauvin guilty on all charges, marking a historic moment of accountability and reigniting discussions about systemic racism and police reform across the globe. These cases remind us of the power of the legal system to uncover the truth, hold people accountable, and sometimes spark critical conversations about justice, morality, and social change. Whether shocking, tragic, or inspiring, these stories have captivated the public and left their mark on history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into some of the most memorable court cases, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which trial fascinated you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.